My name is Akshaya. I'm from 4th grade from Bangalore. I am going to give a short review about holistic stay. It is an exotic place to stay. I wanted to come from it. I wanted to leave that place only when pigs started to fly. And the food is exotic here. Nature everywhere, only green. And the place where I stayed was so good. It was a very luxurious room. There was a tower. It was a tower shaped room, and I slept comfortably, a good night's sleep. And we saw waterfall. Oh, what a waterfall. It is separating Karnataka and Kerala. I never knew I could be so close to another state. There was a pond there. We dipped our legs. So many fish. It was awesome. I really hope other children can also come stay here. It was lot of fun. There was a dinosaur park with lots of statues, and there was a honeycomb
Bee
cover.
farming.
Bee farming. Yeah, that's called bee farming. Okay. There they explained about bees. Oh my God! I never knew there was a kingdom of bees. And there was also a farm with rabbits and birds. Oh, they were so cute. They were so nice. And I planted a tree.
Sapling, good.
Yes. And also today is my birthday, so I had lots of fun in holistic stay. Thank you.
Thank you. I'm Chaya here, an environmental engineer. So being a part of environment as a professional, this holistic stay had everything that what nature has to offer, and it was very refreshing. We really wish to come back again, and thank you for hosting us, the holistic stay team. It is really nice. The hospitality is very good, and as my daughter said, the food is amazing. So we'll keep coming back. Thank you.
And what I need to also add is, you really live close to the nature. Thank you.